Here's what you can do in order to fix always on display not working on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So first of all, we're gonna go to the settings. We're gonna scroll down to lock screen and AOD, and let's go to always on display. The first thing that we can check is when to show. By default, it is set to tap to show, so you should be able to lock the phone and then you can tap on the screen in order to show AOD. However, if it's not working, you can, for example, switch to auto, and the always on display will show all the time unless your phone detects that it is in a dark place, such as a purse, pocket, or dark room. So whenever you turn off the phone, or lock the phone actually, then AOD should be visible right after. However, if it's not working at all, then what you can do is simply turn off and turn back on always on a display. And this is also what helped me. At first, even though AOD was enabled, I couldn't turn it on by tapping. And after just simply turning it off and then turning it back on, it started working. And even the tap to show works now as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.